mentally, as I lay here waiting for the next blow physically. I realized I was now your slave. Domestic violence. You now own me mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. Domestic violence.
They were on a park bench under the moonlight. Her head was on his lap. She was a beautiful sight. The light played in her eyes as she looked up at him. He won her over with his charm and a grin. They planned a great future. They said they'd never fight.
Domestic violence.
1 year later, she laid covered in blood, remembering that night. He said he was sorry. It was nothing but lies. With all the love lost, tears filled her eyes. She thought about every one of the bruises. With every new strike came excuses. Her breathing was shallow, her mind going dim. So much blood on the floor, once again because of him. The darkness closed in as she drew her last breath.
Please, baby, wake
Her beautiful
up. I
light
swear I won't do this ever again.
faded.
She falls on the floor, wishing she could die. His rage is fueled even more. Why does she always have to cry? He is on fire. His temper has flared beyond the point of no return. He starts to kick her,
Domestic
yelling
violence.
and screaming about how she needs to learn. She feels the heat of the blows, and her mind swirls into a white cloud. She escapes into her happy place, where this kind of violence is not allowed. How can she love this man when he obviously has no love for her? She takes a kick to the face, and her whole world is a blur. He finally realizes that she isn't moving anymore. His mind goes into panic mode. He drops to his knees on the floor. Please, baby, wake up. I swear I won't do this ever again. He knows these lines quite well, because he always says them when their relationship is about to end. But this ending is quite different from the ones they had before, because her final goodbye was written by the blood on the floor.